What's up, you all? Hope you people are doing well. By the way, I just came to the fitness time gym here in Riyadh. It's near the King Saud University, and well, I just parked here on this side and now I will be going back home, but I thought I'd tag you people along on this drive. Thank you for supporting the channel. Just came from the fitness time over there and using the Insta360 GO 3S camera for recording. It's gonna be a rather short drive, but the purpose of this channel is to document, record the drives around Riyadh. And honestly, what we have over here directly in front of me, it's a very fascinating scene. Not sure if you can see it on the camera in 2.7K, but we have the views of CAFD, King Abdullah Financial District. And well, now we are on the Prince Turki Road. I think we have to take the ramp down. You see the overtaking power of this car. Sweet. I could even give you a teaser of that on this road, but well, let me just show you. Right now it's in normal mode, not in sports. Go on this lane now, since we are done with the demonstration. Oh, by the way, the no, it's the King Abdullah Road, I think. Yeah, they have these green lights over there, these big huge green. It's a actually distinct landmark of that place. I'll show you. It's near this overhead bridge. Very iconic actually. Oh, I think we are not going that route, or are we? Let's see. We are going from down below, so yeah, not that. Oh, okay, not that. The traffic light is green. Are we gonna make it? Let's just stop here. I don't want any traffic violation, but you saw this car actually braked really well in the very little span that we had. So yeah, it was effective. What do we have over here? Some cameras over there. Okay. Keeping that aside, let's say even there are not the cameras who track the signal violation. Let's say there's another, the traffic police, and there's another situation. The traffic police might be standing on the other side of the road, and let's say you violate the signal, then there's a chance that they can catch you as well. Obviously, you have to be on the safe side. Once you see orange or yellow, you just stop, unless you are right on that location. Obviously you will have some split seconds to just pass through, but anyways, be very mindful that even if there's no camera, there could be traffic police around. And well, because I know, I have talked to people, the traffic police, they also catch the violators as well. So it's better to follow the traffic rules, obey them. We are gonna take this ramp down. Was that a GMC? Looked huge. They have some construction going on over there at the Takhasusi, so I could go from there, but these days I prefer this one because I can take a U-turn. I can take an exit first, then a U-turn back to Muhammadiyah. So there we go, we have some traffic over here, but let's see if those who want to take a U-turn can make it. Oh, the traffic light turned green, so yeah, I think we can eventually. What's up with this guy? What's up with this guy? He's honking the horn. Yeah. We just go smoothly down the road. Let me just take a turn from here. So that would be pretty much it, guys. We'll meet each other in another video. I hope all of you all stay blessed and have a very good evening, day. or afternoon. See you all